Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa at tawa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today we are celebrating the memorial of Saint Rose of Lima, a Virgin. Narinig natin sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon, a lawyer approached Jesus and asked question to test him. And the question of the lawyer was, which commandment of the law is the greatest? And Jesus responded and said, you shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind. This is the first and the most important of the commandments. The second is like it, you shall love your neighbor as yourself. Love of God and love of neighbor. Bakit nga ba tayo nagmamahal? Bakit tayo sinasabihan ng Diyos na tayo ay may buhay lamang at hindi tayo parang kalansay na buhay kung tayo ay nagmamahal? Pinapaalala sa atin ng two greatest commandments na ito na tayo ay nagmamahal sapagkat una tayong minahal ng Diyos. And so, God created us, and it is our God who is love who created us. And He created us because He wanted to share His love with us. And so by receiving this love, then we are also capable of loving back those who love us, even those who do not love us, even those who are not worthy of our love. Kaya po ang pag-ibig ay hindi para lang sa atin, hindi natin makokontento. It has to be shared with other people. And so when God who is love shared this love with us, and we who receive this love are also impelled, are also sent to share this love with other people. Ginagamit natin na translation sa Tagalog yung love na pag-ibig at pagmamahal. Sabi ng nakausap kong pare kagabi, ang pag-ibig daw is more of receiving. Yung tumanggap ka. Pero yung pagmamahal ay yung nagbibigay ka. Kaya masakit ang magmahal kasi parang nawawalan ka. Pero nais ko pong pagsamahin yung dalawa para maunawaan natin ang pag-ibig, itong commandments na itinuturo ng Diyos sa atin. Yung salitang pag-ibig, nandoon yung salitang ibig. Kapag nagmamahal ka, iibigin mo. Ibig sabihin nun, nanaisin mo. Yung gugustuhin mo. And what do we desire when we love? We desire what is good for our beloved. Kaya po, ang pag-ibig ay yung nanaisin natin, gugustuhin natin kung ano lamang ang maganda sa minamahal natin. At kapag yung pagmamahal ang ginagamit natin, makita natin yung salitang mahal, something precious, something valuable. And so, it is here that it is not only desiring, but we try to do what is good for our beloved. Mahal, ibig sabihin nun, mahalaga, at kung mahal ato, kailangan mo itong papahalagahan. At kung titingnan natin yung salitang mahalaga o pagpapahalaga, nandoon yung salitang mamahalin mo. You will value it. You will value the object and subject of your love. At the same time, nandoon yung alaga, yung proprotektahan mo, aalagaan mo kung ano yung pinahahalaga o minamahal mo o yung para sa iyo ay precious or valuable. Kaya mga kapatid, sa ating pagninilay, tayo ay inaanyayahan ng Diyos na mahalin ng Diyos, mahalin ng ating kapwa, sapagkat una tayong minahal ng Diyos. At yung pagmamahal na to ay we desire what is good for our beloved, and at the same time, we do what is good for our beloved. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitaw Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.